Hello everyone. In this video, Summative Assessment 1, October 2025, Telangana, Hyderabad, General Science Paper 2, Biological Science Question Paper with answer key discuss. This paper download to Telegram link on description. Let's start the paper section 1. This section contain three very short answer question. Answer all the question. Write the answer in 3 to 4 sentences. Each question carries 2 marks. Question number 1. Write the material you require to observe the internal structure of mammalian heart. Question number 2. What will happen if diaphragm does not function properly in human body? Question number 3. To prevent weak and improper formation of bones and delayed dentition in children, which vitamins should be taken and what food resources are to be included in diet. Section 2. This section contains 3 short answer question. Answer all the questions. Write the answer in 5 to 6 sentences. Each question carries 4 marks. Observe the given picture and answer the question given below. Which sphincter muscles regulate the passage of food from stomach to duodenum? What are the glands that secreted juice into duodenum? Which part of the alimentary canal eliminates the excess salt of calcium, magnesium, and iron along the facies? What are the structure in small intestine that help in absorption and digested food? Write any four difference between arteries and veins. And question number 6, mention any four secondary metabolites in plant and write their uses. And the section 3, describe the structure of nephron with the help of well-labeled diagram. Write the part present in hindbrain and explain their function. Write the material required and procedure for experiment to prove that carbon dioxide is released in respiration. Part B is a bit type question. Leaf is boiled in methylated spirit, remove starch, chlorophyll, iodine, water. Which option is the right answer? Right answer is a chlorophyll. The enzyme present in gastric juice is pepsin, ptyalin, tyrosine, amylase. Option A is a right answer. Question number 3. Match the following. Match the following. First option A is the correct answer. 1 is a 3, B is a 1, C is a 4, D is a 2. Identify is a wrong pair. Identify is a wrong pair. Which option is a right answer? Endocrine gland, enzymes. Option C is a wrong pair. And next question, fill in the blanks. Nasal cavity dash larynx dash bronchi. Which option is the right answer? Right answer option B. Pharynx and trachea is the right answer of the question 5. Question number 6. Identify the cell organelle and the function. Question number 6. Mitochondria, cellular respiration. Option D is the right answer. Question number 7. What is the question number 7? Question number 7. Insulin is animal is secreted by thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, pituitary gland. Which option is the right answer? Option number C, pancreas. Question number 8. Identify the correct statement. Option B. In plant, transport of water occur through xylem. Question number 9. The scientist who invented stethoscope, William Harvey, Rene Marcello, and Girolamo. Which is the right answer? Rene Laennec. Question number 10. Identify the structure A and B. Which option is the right answer? Right answer option A is the correct answer of the question number 10. A is a big bixped wall and pulmonary arteries. And the answer key on the part A, write the material you require to observe the internal structure of mammalian heart. To observe the internal structure of mammalian heart, the required materials: a fleshy collected or preserved mammalian heart from the sheep or goat, a dissection tray, a sharp scalpel and dissection scissor, forceps, a jug of water, and dissection pins. What will happen if diaphragm does not function properly in human body? The diaphragm is the primary muscles responsible for breathing, inhalation and exhalation. If it does not function properly, a person will be unable to take full deep breath. This leads to shortness of breath, dyspnea, and the reduced oxygen supply to the body. The accessory muscles in the chest and the neck will have to work much harder, which can lead to fatigue and the respiratory failure. To prevent weak and improper formation of bones and delayed dentition in children, which vitamins should be taken and what food resources are to be included in the diet? The required vitamins in vitamins D, which is essential for the body absorb calcium and the phosphorus. A deficiency in vitamin D can cause rickets, leading to weak bones and delayed dentition. Key food resources including exposure to the sunlight, which help body synthesis vitamin D, fatty fish, line, salmon, and the mackerel, cod liver oil, egg yolks, food fortified with vitamin D such as milk and the cereals. Observe the given picture and answer the question. 1. The sphincter muscles regulate the passage of food from the stomach duodenum. Answer: pyloric sphincter regulate the passage of the partially digested food chemi from the stomach in the duodenum. What are the glands that secreted juice into the duodenum? Two main glands are the liver, which secreted bile, and the pancreas, which secreted pancreatic juice. Which part of the alimentary and canal eliminates the excess salt of calcium, magnesium, and iron along the feces? The large intestine eliminates this excess salt, which are excreted by bloodstream into the colon and the pass out with the feces. What are the structure in small intestine that help in absorption of digested food? The inner lining of the small intestine has millions of tiny figures like projections called villi, singular villus. This villi, which are themselves covered in microvilli, vastly increases the surface area, efficient absorption of the digestion food. Food difference between the arteries and veins. Blood flow: carry blood away from the heart, carry blood toward the heart, carry oxygenated blood, carry deoxygenated blood, have thick muscular and elastic wall to withstand high pressure, have thin, less muscular and the less elastic walls as blood pressure is low. Do not have walls except aortic and the pulmonary walls. Have walls are regular interval to prevent the backflow of blood. Mention any secondary metabolites in plants and write their use. Alkaloid, quinine and morphine, tannins, resins, and latex. Question number 7. Describe the structure of nephron with the help of a well-labeled diagram. Malpighian body, renal tubulus, and the clotting duct. And the next question, write the part present in the hindbrains and explain their function. Cerebellum, pons, medulla. Question number 9. Write the material required and procedure experiment. Carbon dioxide is released in respiration. This is a key of the question. Take the screenshot and this PDF download to the Telegram group, link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Thank you so much.